Welcome to our channel. If you want to deposit a check using your smartphone, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete mobile check deposits conveniently. Step 1. Download and install your bank's official mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Step 2. Log into your mobile banking app using your username, password, and any two-factor authentication required for security. Step 3. Navigate to the deposit section by looking for options like Deposit Check, Mobile Deposit, or a camera icon in the app's main menu. Step 4. Select the account where you want to deposit the check, such as your checking or savings account. Step 5. Endorse the check by signing the back exactly as your name appears on the front and write "For mobile deposit only" beneath your signature. Step 6. Position the check on a flat, dark surface in good lighting. Follow the on-screen guide to take clear photos of the front and back of the check. Step 7. Review the check images and deposit amount for accuracy. The app may automatically read the check amount, but verify it matches the written amount. Step 8. Submit the deposit and save the confirmation number. Keep the physical check for several days until the deposit clears, then securely destroy it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.